Hello and welcome everyone on this official platform of Legacy IAS Academy. So today in this video I am going to discuss one of the most important issue, or you can call it a movement which is happening in our neighborhood. Yes, in Bangladesh a huge protest is going on to ban ISKCON temples. Now why this protest? अगर आप Twitter भी देखें, if you see Twitter, the trend is going on. Ban, hashtag ban ISKCON, hashtag ISKCON is a terrorist. These kind of trends are going on even on Twitter also. So today there is one article with respect to Bangladesh court which rejects the plea to ban ISKCON. So what is the issue? Why this thing is there into the picture? So let me tell you first of all that in Bangladesh the current government which is there, that is, you can say, a kind of radical government, radical Islamist rule is there in Bangladesh. Getting my point? So what is the context of this news? So let me tell you that recently Chinmoy Das is arrested. So a clash took place between the supporters of Chinmoy as well as police, and after that only one lawyer was killed in that clash, and then the protest was started and the call was started in Bangladesh to ban ISKCON, because they say that ISKCON is also involved in this trouble, in this clashes. Getting my point? Now, so Chinmoy कौन है? Chinmoy, he is a spokesperson for Bangladesh Samilitya Sanatani Jagran. Clear? And he was arrested. He was arrested from Dhaka's Hazrat Shah Jalal International Airport because he was going to Chatgram to perform his rally, but he was arrested. Now, अब अगर आपने नाम सुना होगा चतोग्राम का, as you can see here, this Chattogram, this is the area where Hindus are also there. Hindus are there. Getting my point? Now, he was going for a rally to talk about the rights of Hindus and minorities in Bangladesh, but he was arrested. Getting my point? So he was about to fly to Chattogram to join a rally advocating for rights of Hindus in Bangladesh, but he was arrested so that he should not perform his rally. तो इसमें पूरा समझ में आ रहा है कि इसमें किसका हाथ है? बांग्लादेश गवर्नमेंट जो कट्टरपंथी गवर्नमेंट है उसका पूरा रोल है इनकी अरेस्ट में. Getting my point? And various trends started on Twitter against ISKCON, like hashtag ban ISKCON, hashtag ISKCON is a terrorist organization. Getting my point? Now Das was a part of ISKCON, but now ISKCON ने भी ये क्लियर कर दिया है that Chinmoy Das is no more a part of ISKCON because he breaks some rules. Getting my point? But still a protest is going on with respect to ban on ISKCON. Now Chinmoy Krishna Das, now if you read about him, so Chinmoy Krishna Das, he is the most important spokesperson for Bangladesh Samilitya Sanatani Jagran. Now he was arrested, as I have said. He was going to Chattogram to perform his rally to talk about the rights of Hindus and minorities. So he was arrested from Dhaka airport on November 27 and he was accused of sedition. Now what they have said, that his sayings are not in the interest of Bangladesh country. इनके ऊपर accusation क्या लगा है कि इनके ये जो बोल रहे हैं that is not in the interest of the country. Clear? So he also court denied bail to him. Getting my point? So he denied bail, jailed by Chattogram court. Now he was a former ISKCON member. That is why protesters, they are saying that he is a part of ISKCON and ISKCON is also creating trouble for Bangladesh. So but ISKCON के जो head है उन्होंने ये चीज बोल दिया है that he was expelled for violating ISKCON's rules, that he is no more a member of ISKCON. Chinmoy Das. Getting my point? Now, as you can see here, So what is the recent conflict? So when he was arrested from the airport, so in Chattogram, a huge clash took place between the supporters and the supporters of Chinmoy and पुलिस. तो अब क्लैश हुआ किसके बीच में? चतोग्राम में किसके बीच में? दिस was in between the supporters of Chinmoy and between पुलिस. और इस क्लैश में किसकी मौत हो गई? इस क्लैश में एक लॉयर की डेथ हो गई, सैफुल इस्लाम अफी. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? इन दिस क्लैश a lawyer died, Saiful Islam. Getting my point? That is why this triggered the protest that there should be ban of ISKCON. ISKCON is also involved. So कौन-कौन से groups involved थे? As I have said, protesters supporting Chinmoy and police and government officials. So they are blaming ISKCON. So various allegations are made by some groups connecting to ISKCON this violence. Getting my point? तो बहुत सारी, like if you see the party in Bangladesh, BNP, Bangladesh Nationalist Party, which is the party of Khalida Zia. Khalida Zia is the spouse. Khalida Zia जो है spouse है किसकी? She is Khalida Zia and she is the spouse of Ziaur Rahman. Getting my point? Ziaur Rahman, who have played an important role in the creation of SARC also in 1985. The word SARC was coined by Ziaur Rahman only. Getting my point? So now try to understand that Bangladesh Nationalist Party always anti-India. Remember this thing. Awami League pro-India party. Bangladesh Nationalist Party, because their ideology is different, they are always anti-India. Getting my point? So they are also blaming, now Khalida Zia's party, Bangladesh Nationalist Party, they are also blaming that ISKCON is behind this, and also Awami League supporters are also supporting the Chinmoy, and the sayings of Chinmoy are not in the interest of the country Bangladesh. Clear? तो वो किस चीज की बात कर रहे थे? चिन्मय. चिन्मय बात कर रहे हैं हिंदूज के राइट्स की, माइनॉरिटी राइट्स की. क्लियर? नाउ इफ यू सी द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ दिस, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड रिसेंटली इन इंडिया, है ना, संबल वायलेंस टुक प्लेस, एंड देन दिस बांग्लादेश. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? So it can be connected. It is like action reaction issue. Getting my point? But the most important thing here is that they are blaming ISKCON temple, ISKCON chains. So additional Attorney General of Bangladesh and Deputy Attorney General of Bangladesh, they have filed a petition in their top court, high court, okay, to ban ISKCON, but court rejected their petition, rejected their plea. कोर्ट ने क्या किया? बांग्लादेश की उनकी पिटीशन को रिजेक्ट कर दिया. Getting my point? On the other hand, अटॉर्नी जनरल, गेटिंग माय पॉइंट, अटॉर्नी जनरल ने कोर्ट से क्या कहा? दैट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ बांग्लादेश इज लुकिंग इनटू दिस मैटर. तो ये पूरा समझ में आ रहा है कि ये पूरी तरीके से साजिश है बांग्लादेश की गवर्नमेंट की, कट्टरपंथियों की. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? अ ट्रेंड इज गोइंग ऑन ट्विटर, हैशटैग बैन ISKCON, हैशटैग ISKCON इज अ टेररिस्ट. अब सवाल पूछने वाला ये है, अब कहां गए वो लोग जो लोग लिखते हैं इजराइल पैलेस्टीन के इशू पर, ऑल आइज ऑन दिस, ऑल आइज ऑन दैट. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? तो सवाल ये भी है, इस इशू को भी उठाया जाए. इवन डोनाल्ड ट्रंप हैज कंडेम्ड दिस काइंड ऑफ वायलेंस इन बांग्लादेश. Whatever the actions that has been taken by the government against the minorities is condemned by the Donald Trump. तो अब सवाल यह है कि देखने वाला होगा after 20 January that what are the actions when Donald Trump will come into the you can say will take the position of president, then what will be the situation in Bangladesh. Getting my point? But उससे पहले बाइडेन गवर्नमेंट जो है पूरी तरीके से सारी जगह चीजें खराब कर देंगी. Clear? So this is one of the most important issue which is going on in Bangladesh. It is in our neighborhood only. Getting my point? So High Court verdict क्या है? High Court verdict rejected the plea to ban ISKCON on November 28. High Court ने reject कर दिया. Then what is the government stance? Government stance, that means Bangladesh government stance is that they urge caution before taking decisions. And they also promised investigation into the events. Getting my point? Because now this is just a kind of statement in front of the public, in front of international media. But everyone knows who is behind these conspiracies. It is none other than Bangladeshi government, Yunus government. Getting my point? So various groups are demanding the ban of ISKCON. Now why they are stressing on banning the ISKCON? Because अगर मैं आपको बता दूं, ISKCON has large number of property in Bangladesh. ISKCON has created various schools, temples everywhere around the world. तो काफी property है. Getting my point? That is why they are trying to ban ISKCON in Bangladesh. So the most important thing, Jatiya Abadi, NGB Forum and students, they call for ISKCON's ban. Getting my point? So all these forums, now this forum is linked with Bangladesh National Party. अभी मैंने आपको बताया Bangladesh National Party, anti-India, Khalida Zia's party. Getting my point? Remember this thing. There are two types of parties in Bangladesh. Awami League, Bangladesh National Party. Awami League pro-India. Getting my point? And this is anti-India party. Khalida Zia's party. She is a spouse of Ziaur Rahman. Getting my point? तो ये सबसे बड़ा इशू है. So why they are stressing on banning this ISKCON temples? Because they have huge property. Getting my point? So this is one of the most important issue. So now it is the time for India and Indian government that they should also start a trend on social media. Save ISKCON. Getting my point? Save Hindus' life, save minority life in Bangladesh. See, it is not about the Hindus and Muslims. It is all about humanity, peace. Getting my point? So, अब सवाल ये उठता है, अब वो मीडिया कहां गई, ह्यूमन राइट्स वाले कहां गए जो बांग्लादेश में चल रहा है. Getting my point? That is also one of the most important concerns. So now, various decisions and various kind of policies which is created by Bangladesh and their government. Okay, because right now it is not about the violence, it is all about the type of government in Bangladesh. Getting my point? Fundamentalist government. Clear? That is why these kind of violences are there. Now in this scenario, from India, even Indian government, central government raising their concerns, and they are in talks with Bangladesh government that you have to ensure the rights and safety of Hindus as well as minorities. Getting my point? Also, Mamata Banerjee raised concerns and about the violence which is going on in Bangladesh, but she has also mentioned it is not in our hand. This comes under the jurisdiction of central government, Indian government. Getting my point? So बहुत सारे protests हो रहे हैं. Now let's take a look about ISKCON. ISKCON is also called as Hare Krishna movement. Yes, ISKCON is also called as Hare Krishna movement. Clear? The full form of ISKCON is International Society for Krishna Consciousness, and this was founded in 1966 in New York City, and it was founded by Swami Prabhupada. Getting my point? 1896 to 1977. ISKCON was founded by him at New York. Now, what is the philosophy of ISKCON? Peace, love, devotion to Krishna. The most important thing, peace, love, devotion to Krishna. Clear? So ISKCON's philosophy is based on Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavad Puran, and they follow Gaudiya Vaishnava tradition. Their focus is on love for Krishna, vegetarianism, peace. Getting my point? If you see their global presence around 650 plus temples in 80 plus countries. Getting my point? And there are various activities like They have provided humanitarian aid. Even in the time period of flood, when flood came in Bangladesh, कितना ज्यादा सपोर्ट किया था ISKCON ने. When in Bangladesh flood came, ISKCON supported. During the time period of COVID, ISKCON gave free food to the hungry people in London also. Getting my point? So, if you see the roots of ISKCON, why ISKCON came, why Hare Krishna movement was founded, why this International Society for Krishna Consciousness was created to counter the West culture, which is totally based on materialism. So, it was a counter culture movement in the West, and it attracted people, spiritualism, alternative to materialism. So, various prominent supporters are also there, like Allen Ginsberg, who was a poet, another George Harrison, the Beatles. Getting my point? These things are there. But ISKCON is also criticized in 1980s. Why? Because of their punishment and abuse in their schools. So it was criticized for child abuse. Various allegations were put for child abuse in 1980s, corporal punishment in schools. Getting my point? But still, ISKCON gives the message of love, peace and devotion. Clear? So, if you see this, so overall, what is the overall summary of all these events? The most important thing, what is the role of ISKCON? ISKCON had officially denies their role in any kind of involvement in political clashes or violent clashes. कि हम involved नहीं हैं. Chinmoy Das is no more a part of ISKCON. Getting my point? So, they denied their involvement in the clashes. Chinmoy Krishna Das, who is a central figure but no longer part of ISKCON. Getting my point? He is a spokesperson for the rights of minorities in Bangladesh. So, what is the decision of court in Bangladesh? They uphold ISKCON's operation in Bangladesh. In this scenario, what will be the concern? How India-Bangladesh relations will be there? So, India's concern, India highlighted that there should be respect and safety of rights of minorities in Bangladesh. So, the most important concern is minority concern and political sensitivity between India and Bangladesh. Getting my point? So, I hope this much is clear to all of you. This is the issue. And with this, I would also like to tell you that there are various districts in Bangladesh where Hindus are there. Getting my point? So, those Hindus are also denied to go into the temples, perform their rituals. These things are also going on. Getting my point? So, it is not about, so don't see, it is not only restricted to religion, it is all about humanity. Getting my point? So, there should be a solution. Getting my point? Government should take active actions against Bangladesh. This much is clear to all of you. So, I hope this much is clear to all of you. So, this is all about the issue which is going on in Bangladesh and with respect to ISKCON temples. Thank you so much.